But yeah, you're going to head north. I guess the further north you are, the better the chance to get the viewing this weekend. So it really does peak. We talked about Saturday and Sunday night, but it really does peak, especially on Sunday night. So when we look at the cloud cover, we are dealing with, unfortunately, a system coming through. But the later it gets into the night, the better the chance. You can see how the sky just sort of opens up to right around midnight. And that's really the best viewing too, a couple hours before and after midnight. So again, if you want to travel north, even a little bit further west, you're in better situation to at least get a glimpse of maybe those northern lights. Here in Metro Detroit, it's going to be a tough one. I think Saginaw, Bad Axe, Northwood would be the best bet, but at least it's close enough to where maybe you're going to be doing some traveling this weekend and see it. 74 degrees in Oak Park, 75 downtown. These temperatures are mild but not too warm. 74 right now, Livonia. Ecorse, you're just behind at 73 degrees. Even seeing some upper 60s like we're seeing in Holly right now. Auburn Hills and Lake Orion just at 70 degrees, and Flint and Lapeer at 71. So a little bit cool. Certainly, our temperatures in the mid 70s for most areas as we go through the afternoon. We'll see a mostly sunny to partly cloudy sky, kind of bouncing back and forth with just a little bit of cloud cover, but we're going to stay dry. Partly cloudy tonight. By morning, we're talking some 50s to near 60 degrees. So that's pretty comfortable, pretty typical weather. There's that cold front that skirted through, bringing in that pocket of cooler air right behind it, especially for the upper Midwest. The Great Lakes seeing that too, but we're watching the clouds kind of pushing south, following that cold front as we go through the rest of the day. But look at some of these temperatures. 68 degrees Minneapolis, 62 International Falls, Marquette in the low 60s. Certainly a taste of fall to the north and west as that cold front passed through. So here's our hour-by-hour forecast, getting a jump start on your holiday weekend. Of course, an extended weekend for most folks tomorrow afternoon. It looks good. We've been talking about our rain chances this weekend. It keeps getting later and later on Saturday, which is great news. If we can push it into the nighttime, we can salvage Saturday. It looks like the later it gets on Saturday, 9, 10 o'clock, we start to increase our chances for a few showers. Sunday, unfortunately, does look wet to start the morning. By the afternoon, we start to see improvement by Sunday, 2, 3, 4 o'clock, maybe just a few random showers. But overall, it looks like the wettest time on Sunday would be the first half of the day at this point. Stay with us this weekend, especially if you have outdoor plans. Look to the north. It's going to be a taste of fall, especially Traverse City to the UP. Temperatures in the 60s this weekend. We're at 78 for a high today, dropping down into the 50s tonight, and then that slight chance for a shower on Saturday night, better chance on Sunday. Labor Day does look dry.